Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Spanish Town and we are giving you an update on the construction of the St. Catherine North Police Headquarters, or as some people refer to it, the Spanish Town Police Headquarters. Now this is a massive development taking place out in Spanish Town. The government is building police stations all over Jamaica, massive billion-dollar police stations, headquarters, forensic autopsy suites, to improve the capabilities and response times of the police. A lot of investment has been made in national security over the last couple of years, and it is beginning to pay off. The crime numbers are down, all major crime figures are down. So with this kind of investment and more to come, the crime in Jamaica should be minimal. Now the police or the Ministry of National or the government is building this station, this headquarters in Spanish Town. They're building one in Westmoreland and they just recently opened a autopsy suite. So the days of waiting weeks for an autopsy to be done are over. So we are going to give you more information on what's happening here. The construction of the St. Catherine North Police Divisional Headquarters in Spanish Town represents one of the most significant recent security infrastructure investments in Jamaica. Valued at approximately $2.3 billion, the project is part of the government's broader police modernization program aimed at strengthening national security and improving operational efficiency within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The new headquarters falls under the government's Strategic Security Infrastructure Initiative known as Project ROC, Rebuild, Overhaul, and Construct. This program focuses on replacing outdated police facilities with modern, purpose-built stations that can properly support officers and provide improved services to the public. Spanish Town, as the capital of St. Catherine and one of the island's oldest urban centers, has long required enhanced policing infrastructure. The St. Catherine North Division covers several communities with high population density and complex security needs. The new headquarters is designed to serve as a central command hub, housing administrative offices, investigative units, meeting rooms, holding areas, and upgraded operational facilities. It is expected to accommodate nearly 300 personnel, significantly improving coordination and response capabilities. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And we'll give you updates on this development monthly. Alright guys, have a good day.